This is Samad, and welcome to Maths Help. In this video, we're going to learn about some properties of logarithms. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
The first property of logarithm is called the zero logarithm property. It says that the logarithm of unity is nil. The reason behind this property is quite easy to follow. Recall that when you write the logarithm of 1 to the base b is equal to 0, in exponential form, that is b raised to 0 is equal to 1. Note that this exponential form is true for any real value of b. Therefore, the logarithm of 1 to the base b is 0, proving your property. Now let's try to solve this example. We have what is the logarithm of 1 to the base 7? Obviously, that is 0, following the zero logarithm property. The second property of logarithm is named the base logarithm property. It says that the logarithm of a base is 1. The reason behind this is that, remember, when you write the logarithm of b to the base b is equal to y, in exponential form, that is b raised to y is equal to b. Notice that this is only true when y is equal to 1. Therefore, the logarithm of base to the base b is equal to 1. Let us try the second example. You are asked, what is the logarithm of 28 quarters to the base 7? Remember that 28 quarters is just 7. Therefore, this example is just asking you, what is the logarithm of 7 to the base 7? The second logarithmic property, or the base logarithm property, will tell you that that must be 1.
Wonderful! Now that you've learned the first two properties, please remember that the next two you will not be provided with the reason behind them. Rather, they are left for you to practice on your own. Shall we go to the next two?
The third property is called the power of the base logarithm property. And it says that the logarithm of a base raised to a certain power is that power. The reasoning behind this property is very much parallel to the previous two properties, and therefore I'm going to leave this for the practice of the viewer. Now let us look at this third example. Here you are asked, what is the logarithm of 16,807 to the base 7? The large number can seem daunting at the beginning. However, do realize that 16,807, expressed in exponential form, is just 7 raised to the fifth power. Because of the power of the base logarithm property, it is quite easy to solve now that the logarithm of 16,807 to the base 7 is just 5. The final logarithmic property to be shown for this video is called the logarithmic exponent property. It is quite lengthy in statement form, but it is easier to remember in its symbolic form, which just says that b raised to the logarithm of any number x to the base b is just that number. Because the reasoning behind this property is also similar with the first three properties, I will again leave the reasoning behind this property as practice for the viewer. Let us see this property in action. Here we are asked, what is 10 raised to the common logarithm of 113? The logarithmic exponent property can apply here because we are raising 10 to a common logarithm and realize that the base of the common logarithm is 10. Therefore, by the logarithmic exponent property, 10 raised to the common logarithm of 113 is 113 itself.
Hopefully, the lesson was quite easy for you. But if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to comment them here and I'll try to reach you as soon as I could. I hope that you are going to do the practice exercises on your own so that you will get used to using these properties to solving problems. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye bye.